students, இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் என்ன அப்படின்னா, ஸோ டிஸ்கஸ் about the topic electrical field due to a dipole at point axial line. If you consider the axial line in a x-axis, if you consider the axial line in a x-axis, if you consider the dipole, last section you have discussed the electrical dipole. So if you minus q charges and a plus q charges separated between a smallest distance is called a electrical dipole. If your smallest distance at a midpoint of O, the midpoint of O at a distance of minus q charges distance small a, at a midpoint of O at a distance of plus q charges a small a, the axial line at a point of axial line, the electrical dipole in a electrical field at a point. If you calculate the at a point C electrical dipole, so if you consider the E plus and the E minus, what is the between P vector? P vector is the electrical dipole moment vector. So if you calculate that at a point of the along BC, what is mean by B and C? If you consider the E plus, what is mean by E plus? E plus vector is called a plus q charges distance between a electrical field E plus. So E plus equal to, if you consider the previous topic, Coulomb's law, 1 by 4 by epsilon naught q by r minus a the whole square p cap. What is mean by p cap? P cap is called a electrical dipole moment unit vector. So this is called a p cap along BC. And E minus, if you consider the minus q charges, and the minus q charges between a minus value, so the minus 1 by 4 by epsilon naught q by r minus a the whole square p cap. So the difference, if you consider the E plus vector, E minus vector, total electrical field and the superposition of the principle. So discuss the superposition of the principle, previous topics about the discuss. So E vectors, electrical field, E vector total mean identify total electrical field. Total electrical field is equal to E plus vector plus E minus vector. So the E vectors electrical field, total electrical field, which is equal to, it is substituting the value E plus and substituting the value E minus, okay, total electrical field which is equal to the common terms q by 4 by epsilon naught, remaining the 1 by r minus a the whole square minus 1 by r plus a the whole square into p vector. If you identify the cross multiplications, if you cross multiplication the terms of cross r plus a the whole square minus r minus a the whole square, the common terms of r square minus a square the whole square into p cap. So if you consider the formula, algebra formula, a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, the remaining terms of, so E total electrical field q by 4 by epsilon naught r square plus a square plus b square plus 2ab, remaining the formula r square plus a square plus 2rab, minus terms was including r square minus a square plus 2ra by r square minus a square the whole square. Total electrical field q by 4 by epsilon naught, the r square plus r square minus r square cancel, plus a square minus a square cancel, remaining plus 2ra into 2ra 4ra, so r square minus a square the whole square p cap, remaining the terms of, if you calculate the total electrical field, if you calculate, so the diagram is called a at the distance, midpoint of the distance at a point C, the total electrical field, remaining there, if you consider the r at the midpoint of O to point C, the distance of r is very larger and the smallest distance of r a, so the r is very greater than of a, so the a is terms is the smallest distance, a is neglected, so r square the whole square, the r power 4, the r square minus a square the whole square is nearly is equal to r power 4. So E total, E q by 4 by epsilon naught is common terms, q by 4 by epsilon naught in the common term, 4a ra into q divide by nearly equal to r power 4, remaining r cancel, remaining r cube, so 4a cube p cap. So since 2a cube p cap is equal to p vector, so what is meant by p vector? Electrical dipole moment vector p vector. So E total is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught, so fourth term 2 into 2, so 2 into 2 a cube p cap by r cube, so we identify 2a cube p cap is equal to p vector. So the remaining the term substituting the value p cap. So A total electrical field which is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught 2 into p vector by r cube. Next, total electrical field is still the direction of p vector. total electrical field is still the direction of P vector. So the total electrical field is still the direction of P vectors. So next topic we will about the equatorial lines.